In this video, we can talk about the parasitic adaptations. Parasitic adaptations are the antagonistic relationships in between the host and the parasite. You can see this is also called as plus or minus relationship or the parasite and host relationship. Here you can see the antagonistic relationship means in which one species is get benefited, the other species get damaged. Here you can see the definition for the parasitic adaptations. Parasitism is the antagonistic relationship in between the two organisms of different species. Here, the organism which is benefited is called parasite. The other, which is suffers is called the host. It is a relationship. It is also called as plus or minus relationship. In mathematical applications, plus is meant for gain and minus is meant for loss. Parasite gets nurtured from the host as well as the nurture means nutrition, shelter, and a part of reproduction also takes place in the host. Host gets in return gift as a return gift. The host gets tissue damage and disease as a return gift. This is one of the aspects of the parasitism in helminths. Here you can see I have developed a beautiful mnemonic for the parasitic adaptations. Bova origins in rental patai hotel. Here you can see the Bova origins in rental patai hotel. Here Bova origins in rental patai hotel. Here you can see the mnemonic very clearly. B means body covering. These are the morphological features of the parasite, body covering. And O means meant for organs of locomotion. And A means adhesive organs or clinging organs. Originated means here is the organs of nutrition. And in means neurosensitory system. And here, when you see the physiological features of the parasite, a protective covering. The parasite is covered by protective covering or integument or a protective layer. And it shows anaerobic respiration and high fertility rate and osmoregulation. Here you can see the morphological adaptations. First and foremost, morphological adaptations. Here is the body covering. In helminths, the body is covered by thick cuticle, gives protection from the digestive enzymes and antitoxins of the host. Sometimes vitamins, sugars, and amino acids are directly absorbed through the cuticle. This is the first and foremost feature of the morphological feature of the parasite body covering. Next one is the organs of locomotion. Here, no movement is required in adults because ready-made food is available for any organism. They never move to other places. For example, in home also, if the ready-made food is available, we never go for cooking. As like this, the movement is not required in adults. The locomotory organs such as cilia present in larvae are totally lost. The cilia of Myricidium, tail of the Cercaria, are lost, are not seen in adult flukes. Here you can see the tinea solium scolex region. It shows suckers as well as the hooks as an adhesive organs. And here you can see the acetabulum, the medium sucker. Here, these are number of adhesive organs. Here, the hooks, suckers, spines, tentacles, and apical organs. Adhesive organs, possessing of adhesive organs, is the first and foremost feature of the parasites. Here it shows the suckers, hooks, apical organs, and spines. They are meant for attachment or clinging of the intestine of the host. Muscular pharynx enable the parasite to suck the fluid. The neurosensory system. As you know, the parasite, the food is ready-madely available. It shows simple nerve ring, a pair of lateral ganglia and median ventral ganglia as the parasite lives in constant and living ambient a living environment with no proper changes. That's why the sense organs are completely disappear. Here you can see the reproductive system. The reproductive, it shows a prolific reproductive system. Here it shows one or two testes as well as ovaries, and it shows well developed uterus and vitelline glands. Here you can see the organs of nutrition. In cestors, the mouth and alimentary canal have disappeared since they are absent. They are ready-made food available in the gut of the host. Reproduction. In helminths, reproduction is well developed. Testes vary from two to many in number, and males show the copulatory organs. Females show one or two ovaries, and uterus, which is highly branched, which enlarges when it is filled with fertilized eggs. Vitelline glands. Vitelline glands are also called as yolk glands, can provide nutrition to the eggs by releasing the yolk to the nurturing eggs. Physiological features. Here you can see the physiological features. The first and foremost feature is the protective covering or protective mechanism. Body is covered by body is covered by thick cuticle, which gives protection against the digestive juices of the host. Here, one more important thing is the host also releases some of the anti-enzymes produced by the parasite can provide protection. The enzymes produced by the host will able to cause damage to the parasite. To counter the enzymes, the parasite will produce the anti-enzymes. Even in defense system also, some missiles are produced by the country. For example, our country, Indian people, they are developed some of the missiles, Agni 1, Agni 2, Agni 3, Agni 4, like that. To combat these missiles, another country, the enemy country like China, they have developed the anti-missile guided system. Like that, the enzymes produced by the host, they release the anti-enzymes released by the host, released by the parasite. Here, the anaerobic respiration. The anaerobic respiration enable the parasitic roundworms to survive in O2 deficit media like intestinal contents. In oxybiotic process, the glycogen is utilized. Glycogen is the reserved food material utilized as the source of energy. High fertility. The first and foremost feature of the parasites is high fertility. They can release innumerable eggs, production of innumerable eggs to compensate the lack of asexual reproduction and wastage. That is essential during the transference of the host to another parasite. Here you can see the Ascaris will release 2 million eggs per day. Nearly in a single cycle, it can release 27 million eggs. Fasciola hepatica will produce 50,000 capsulated eggs. A single proglottid of the tinea shows 30,000 to 40,000 capsuled eggs. And asthmatic adaptability. The asthmatic pressure of the body fluids of the parasite is similar to that of the host. That's why there is no loss of the fluids or gain of the fluids. Host to prevent a disturbing exchange of water. Here, the asthmatic adaptability or asthmatic regulation is one of the feature of the parasite. The asthmatic pressure of the body fluids of the parasite is similar to that of the host to prevent disturbing exchange of water. Host-parasite relations. Some parasitic flatworms are harmless. However, some may cause tissue damage and bring about diseases like liver rot disease caused by fasciola hepatica and Bladder's disease caused by Schistosoma hematobium, Teniasis caused by the Tinea solium. These are the important diseases caused by the Ascariasis. Ascariasis causes Ascariasis in human beings. These are the some of the important diseases produced by the helminth parasites. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all. We can see another in another video also.